What's up, guys? Just doing a little quick what's on my Xiaomi Mi 9T. So I want to go ahead and just get started. I did one for the P20 Lite. The Twitch app, if you don't use Twitch, pretty much you can watch all your favorite gamers stream and stuff like that. So I got the app. It works better than the web version. Gcam, I did a whole separate video about Gcam, and check that out. If you're using the stock camera app, just use Gcam, download it, check out my video. It takes way better photos. The image processing is better. You get better night sight as well. The only thing that doesn't work on here is the slow motion video. It just doesn't work yet, but everything else works. And you have the little toggles right here for the telephoto and the wide angle lens. So everything works. And this is the same camera on the Google Pixel. So just very awesome. Everything works except for that slow motion. Currency converter. If you're interested in like going out of the country and you want to convert currency, as you can see, I was doing $5,000 US into Ghana, and you can see it translates to 27,000, or the Russian currency or whatever. They pretty much have all the currencies. So if you're out of the country and you don't know how the currency works, you don't want to get ripped off, they got all the countries and the currency on here for you, which is very, very nice. So if you hope to travel, or you're planning to travel, this is pretty cool. So what else we have? The Cash App app. If you guys don't know about it, it's probably the easiest way to Cash App somebody some money. You pretty much just set up your bank, and if they have a Cash App, it's like literally really very, very easy. It's what everybody uses. So if you're out to dinner or whatever, you need to Cash App somebody, you just Cash App, send it to your thing, and it's just very simple. It's like PayPal, but I think it's easier than PayPal. It's about the same, but it's just really easy, and everybody uses the Cash App app. The RARA, or the rare, or whatever you want to call it. This is a rare opener, so it opens like zip files and rare files and a whole bunch of different files. So if you're downloading like ISOs and stuff that needs to be unzipped, this will be able to do it. This is a good file manager as well. It's one of the ones I use. So it's just really nice. The UI is very, very nice, and so it's just a really good file manager. What do we have on here? The Bumble thing is like you connect with like people. I haven't signed up for it yet, but you can. It's sort of like a networking app. You can network, or like a dating app or something like that. So if you want to network, or just bored and want to talk to people, you can definitely do that. I don't have a lot of stuff on here from the last time. Oh, the Coinbase app. So if you are into buying cryptocurrency, and I have bought a little bit of Bitcoin Cash, sold it, but if you're into buying it, this is one of the best platforms to do it. Coinbase. The fees are pretty low. I think it's like it's not a lot. I can't remember, but it's not a lot. It's like I want to say 5 or 3% or something like that. So it's not a lot, and you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum. They have a lot of cryptos on here, along with the news on the crypto. So if you want to stay up to date on that, this is definitely a really good app to do that. The games that I've been playing on here that I think are the best is PUBG looks really great on here. I did a whole gaming video. Fortnite. I have been playing a new game, but these are the games that I pretty much showed you guys, except for this Golf Clash. I'm not big into golf, but I've been playing this game like crazy. It's a really fun game. You get to play against people online or whatever, and it's pretty fun. I'm just show you guys like the gameplay real quick. So it looks really good on this full screen display. I haven't played golf since like the Wii came out, if you guys remember that, like the Wii golf. But it looks really nice on the full screen display, and it's a really fun game to play. Dang.
Shop.
Not bad. Dang, man, I think I lost this one. This guy was too good. Dang, yeah, nope. Yeah, that was bad. I wasn't that bad, but yeah, I lost. But yeah, this is it's a free game and it's mad. It's just a cool laid back little game. Let's see if this guy wins. Yeah, alright, so let's go. Fruit Ninja is one game that you guys probably all seen. That's one game that I play a lot. I'm trying to find something new on here. As you can see, I have the black mode, dark mode turned on, so you can see that's why the Google bar is black. This is the same MyUI launcher. Let's see if there's anything on here. The PSP emulator, I showed you guys that. Yahoo Finance. First Trade is another free stock trading app. So if you guys are into like learning about the stock market, this is zero commission, so it's free. It's a pretty nice little beginner. Frontiers for booking flights. Another cool game is this. It's cool, but I'm probably going to delete it because it's got so many ads. But I really like the game. So you just kind of like, yeah, hold on, and you kind of tap. Man, what the? What? God. And then you just get like crazy ads on this game. I mean, it's nuts. But as you can see, I still kind of suck at it. But yeah, you get crazy ads on that, and it just makes me not want to play it because it's just gonna keep popping up. And I think that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all the applications. I didn't really download too much on this guy. I have the PayPal app. I think I showed you guys that one. Yeah, so everything else is just the MyUI stock stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any apps you want to recommend me, be sure to let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next one.